Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about greedy versus divide and conquer, choosing the right strategy. What are these strategies? At their heart, both greedy, divide, and conquer offer distinct methodologies for tackling complex computational problems, while seemingly disparate. They both aim to simplify problem solving but through very different lens. A greedy algorithm makes a series of choices, each of which seems best at the moment. It aims for a locally optimal solution with the hope that this sequence of local optima will lead the global optimum. It never reconsiders its past choice, making it fast but sometimes short-sighted. The divide and conquer paradigm involves breaking a problem into two or more smaller, independent subproblems of the same type. These subproblems are then solved recursively, and their solutions are combined to solve the original problem. This method derives on structure and recursion. Divide and conquer works, the problem splitter. First one is divide. The problem is broken into smaller subproblems that are exact instances of the original problem, but smaller in size. Second, conquer. The subproblems are solved recursively. If subproblems are small enough, or best case, they are solved directly. And third, combine. The solution to the subproblems are combined to form the solution of the original problem. Complexity dan efficiency comparison. At a greedy algorithm, time complexity, usually O n or O n log n, often very efficient due to fewer operation and no backtracking. In divide and conqueror, usually big O n log n or O big O, and often determined by the recurrence relation. When to use greedy? Greedy algorithms are powerful tool, but their applicability is concentrated to specific problem types where local optimality truly leads to global optimality. Identifying this property is key to successful implementation. Greedy choice property. A global optimum can be reached by making a local optimal choice at the step. Optimal structure. An optimal solution to the problem contains optimal solution to its sub-problem. Common example: fractional knapsack, activity selection, Huffman coding, Dijkstra algorithm. Pro and cons. Pros: fast, simple to implement, low computational overhead. Cons: may produce suboptimal solution if the problem lacks of the greedy choice property. Requires careful proof of correctness. When to use divide and conquer? Divide and conquer is robust strategy particularly suited for problems that can be naturally broken down into smaller, self-similar instances. Its recursive nature allows it to tackle complex tasks by systematically conquering subproblems. Classic examples is a merge sort and quicksort, binary search, closest pair of points, fast Fourier transform, or FFT. Problem example: greedy activity. The activity selection problem is classic example where a greedy approach leads to an optimal solution. Imagine you have a list of proposed activity, each with a start of and finish time, and you want to participate in as many as possible without any overlaps. Greedy strategy. The most effective greedy strategy for this problem is surprisingly simple. Sort by finish time, select first activity, iterate and exclude. Why it works? By always picking the activity that finish early, you maximize the available time for subsequent activity. This leaves the large possible time interval open for the future reflection, which precisely the greedy choice property and leads to the overall optimal solution. Problem example for divide and conquer. Merge sort is a quintessential divide and conquer algorithm, renowned for its efficiency and stability in sorting large datasets. It perfectly illustrates how breaking a problem down and combine result and lead an optimal solution. The merge process. The crucial step is the merging of two sort subarrays. This is done by comparing the first element of each subarray, taking the smaller one and adding it to the new temporary array. In process, repeat until all elements from both subarrays are transferred. This merging operation is highly efficient, typically taking big O time for two subarrays of total size n. Summary. Choosing your strategy. The decision between greedy algorithm and divide and conqueror approach is not arbitrary. It's a strategic choice driven by problem inherent structure and desired outcome. Its paradigm offer distinct advantages and trade-offs. Greedy. For speed and simplicity, choose greedy when local optimal choice demonstrably lead to the global optimum. It's often faster, simpler to implement, and requires less memory. Ideal for problem with clear greedy choice property, used when low overhead is critical. Divide and conquer for robustness and structure. Opt for divide and conquer when a problem naturally decomposes into the independent, self-similar subproblems that can be solved recursively. Guarantees optimality of many complex problems, often leverage of parallelism. Ultimately, the art of algorithmic design lies in accurately accessing the problem nature and aligning in the most suitable algorithmic paradigm, proving the correctness and analyzing the complexity of your chosen strategy are always essential step for building efficient and reliable software. Thank you for watching.